Thĩ yothe ikimurika makinya maria matacukitio hari kuhitana na murimu wa pneumonia. Uthuthuria wonanitie ati murimu uyu uragaga ciana itanyihiire 12,000 cia thĩ wa ukuru wa miaka 5 o mwaka guku bururi-ini.
Yet each year across the world 5 million children, that's 5 million, do not live beyond their 5th birthday. So what does this mean for Kenya? In Kenya it's 64,500 children who are dying before 5 years, and mostly due to reasons that we can prevent.
Gicigo kia Nyanza na Nairobi ni gatagati ka iria itongoretie na namba nene ya ciana iria ikuaga kumana na murimu uyu.
As pneumonia leads, or as pneumonia is number one lead of causes of death in the country, Homa Bay still stands at pneumonia is still our number 5 cause of morbidity and mortality. Sometimes back it was number 2.
Kuringana na Dagitari Andrew Mulwa, afitha murugamiriri wa ugima wa mwiri na ruhonge rwa kurigiriria mirimu, ukiringithania na hau kabere namba ino nicokete thi.
It's not enough that we still losing over 8,000 children to pneumonia every day, but we have seen significant improvements in management of pneumonia in the country over the last 10 years.
Umwe wa morito maria macungiriirie gwikururia hari kunyihia namba ino ni aciari aingi gukorwo mategucaria motungata ma urigitani ihinda-ini riria riagiriire oro undu umwe na gukorwo ciana nyingi itahetwo njanjo.
If pneumonia for sure is number 1 killer of our under 5s, I think we need to go back to the drawing board under the guidance of WHO and of course UNICEF and the rest, see how we can at least have an RRI on how to increase the jab and the immunity using the simplest and the cheapest vaccine, immunization.
Anyititemi sekta-ini ya ugima wa mwingi ni moritie thirikari cia kaunti ngwataniro-ini na thirikari nene gwikirira muno ugima wa ciana, unyihu wa dawa ukigwetwo gukorwo ari thina munene.
We might have the system, the community units are well trained, but the erratic supply of the amoxicillin DT can mess up a whole system. We do the requisitions, we do the forecasting both for the community units and the facilities, and then when KEMSA supplies these drugs, we don't get the exact amount that we requested for.
The ministry is undertaking reforms, and we have talked about this for quite some time, and I want to reassure you the commitment of the cabinet secretary in this. In fact, in her own words, if there is something that she will do in the years that she will be in the Ministry of Health, is to ensure that KEMSA becomes a responsive, efficient agency that addresses the needs of the counties.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.